yoga is a powerful practice that offers immense benefits for both body and mind. One of the primary advantages of yoga is its ability to enhance flexibility, allowing the body to move with greater ease and grace. As you step onto your mat, visualize the vast potential your body holds. Each pose becomes an opportunity to stretch both physically and mentally, paving the way for increased mobility. With regular practice, yoga poses create a tapestry of flexibility throughout your muscles and joints. Standing poses like downward dog and warrior two open the hips, elongate the spine, and stimulate the core. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, harmonizing each movement with deep breaths. As you flow through these postures, feel the tension melting away and a sense of lightness taking its place. In addition to enhancing flexibility, yoga champions stress relief, creating a tranquil oasis amid life's chaos. Begin with deep breathing techniques that ground you in the present moment. Inhale the fresh energy around you and exhale the anxieties and worries that cloud your mind. Picture each breath cleansing your thoughts, allowing peace to fill the void. As you embrace this deep connection with your breath, witness how your body naturally begins to relax. The practice of mindful sitting and restorative poses, like child's pose and legs up the wall, creates a sanctuary for the mind to unwind. Envision the soothing embrace of these positions as they cradle your body, while inviting tranquility to settle within. This stillness fosters introspection and self-acceptance, letting go of the burdens you carry. Furthermore, incorporating elements of meditation into your yoga journey enriches the experience, lightening the mental load. Picture yourself seated in silence, observing your thoughts like clouds drifting in the sky. With this perspective, the weight of stress diminishes, granting you the freedom to cultivate a positive mindset. Ultimately, yoga becomes a bridge to deeper self-awareness and resilience. As you nurture flexibility in body and mind, you're not merely coping with stress, but transforming your relationship with it. Each session on the mat is an invitation to embrace your true self, finding balance and calmness in a tumultuous world. With consistent practice, you'll discover that yoga not only enhances your physical flexibility, but also nurtures your soul, providing you with the tools you need to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. In a world that rushes by, finding time for gentle movements can feel like a luxury. Yoga offers a sanctuary where you can cultivate flexibility and alleviate stress. As you step onto the mat, a wave of calm envelops you, inviting you to slow down and breathe deeply. Start with simple poses that stretch the body. The forward bend, where you fold over your legs, gently pulls the muscles in your back and hamstrings, releasing tension that builds over time. Imagine the weight of the day melting away with each breath, drawing you deeper into relaxation. Transition into the downward dog. Picture your body forming a triangle, with the head hanging down and heels reaching towards the floor. This pose not only opens the shoulders but also stretches the calves, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and light. Gradually work your way into more complex poses, such as pigeon pose, which deeply opens the hips, a common area of tightness from daily sitting. Feel the stretch radiate through your glutes as you breathe into the discomfort, allowing yourself to let go of built-up stress. Visualize the air you inhale as a source of warmth and release, whereas the exhale carries away tension like leaves drifting on a gentle stream. As you flow through the sun salutation, engage both body and mind. Each movement encourages your heart to pump, circulating energy throughout. Imagine a golden light radiating from within, warming every corner of your being. This sequence builds strength while increasing flexibility, grounding you in the present moment, reminding you of the power of mindful movement. After the flow, surrender into the calming, restorative poses, into a gentle supine twist. Allow your body to surrender fully, visualizing each breath as an anchor to present awareness. In this moment of stillness, the mind quiets and clarity emerges, letting go of racing thoughts and allowing tranquility to take hold. Finally, embrace Savasana, the ultimate relaxation pose. Here you lie flat on your back and feel the weight of the world lift off your shoulders. Picture each limb melting into the mat, bringing your spirit to a serene stillness. As your practice concludes, carry this sense of flexibility and calmness with you. Yoga serves as a bridge to both physical freedom and mental clarity, guiding you toward a balanced life. Embrace the journey and enjoy the benefits of becoming more flexible and less stressed.